Hello guys, what's up? I hope everyone is doing good. Are you bored with your work pressure? Are you looking forward to go somewhere where you can refresh your mind? Yeah, you can. If you are living in Riyadh, you have a nearest location, Wadi Namar waterfall and Lake View Park. So today I'm gonna show you about the Wadi Namar Lake View Park. So let's check it out. This is my friend. Salam alaikum. How are you?
Fine, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Wadi Namar.
Yeah.
Kingdom Tower to Wadi Namar. It's around 19 km distance. And if you want to go by Uber, it's around 40 real expense. Finally we reached in Wadi Namar. This is the main location. Wadi Namar Dam is one of the most famous new tourist attraction in south of Riyadh. If you are looking for perfect place to bond with family and friends, Wadi Namar is surely the one. Its cool scenery of a dam, a 2 km long lake is surrounded by green spaces with a huge count of palm trees. Walkaway, rocky hills and artificial waterfalls in the middle. If you have some time, so I request you come in the afternoon after the 4 o'clock, and if you come in the morning is good, but now is the summer season is very hot, you know, the Saudi Arabia is weather, so afternoon is the better. And if you come the Thursday, Friday, that 2 days is very crowd area, you can see all the crowds. I'll show you. So this is my friend Mr. Mohammed Saleh.
Habibi, thank you so much, Mr. Roy. And how did you see the place?
This place is amazing place. I never expect in the Saudi Arabia will be the like this place. When I came to Saudi Arabia, I thought there is a desert and nothing is there. But we came here, when you told me the Wadi Namar, there is a lake, there is a natural place, you can see. Wallah, I am appreciated. I am surprised when I came here.
Habibi.
So thank you so much for this beautiful trip. So now we will show you some most of beautiful view.
الله كيف الحال؟
Alhamdulillah.
كيف كويس؟
Why, this is new friend. He is also from Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
So say Assalamu alaikum.
السلام عليكم. لايك
Yeah,
subscribe
subscribe.
جرس تنبيه كل حاجة.
Shukran.
شكرا. ايش قناة انت؟
And here you can see the two part. One is the down part, one is the upper part. So whenever you will come, first you will come the down part. So you will see some upper part, the views. After then you can go the upper part. There is a waterfall and some place is there. So I will keep posted. You can ride bikes here, take long walks or simply relax by the lake and feed the dogs. At weekends, it's as if the whole of Riyadh descends here to have barbecues and picnics or to just sit with a sisha pipe. And one more thing, if you come here, first you have to careful about the families. Don't shoot any video with any ladies. In this place, the both sides, you can find a free car parking place. You can park your car without any expense. So now we are going to the another side of the upper part, and we will take some closer views, and I will keep posted with you. From the down part to upper part, once you have to go by car, because you cannot go by walking. It's a long way. And this is the map of this Wadi Namar, the both sides. See my friend Mohammed Saleh and Roy. They are enjoying in this beautiful evening with me. So this is the down view. Before we was there, and from there to we came from the opposite sides. We have to come. There is a road. Then we came in the upper side, and this side is like a mountain. If you see, you can see the down part. In the middle of the lake, you can see one dancing fountain. You can enjoy your evening with a beautiful lake view. The upper side is people using only basically for the picnic with families, with friends, and you can cook anything. You can bring some drink and Arabic coffee you can make here, and you can see some another view. This whole place they are preparing for the barbecue at the night. This place where you can make some barbecue, you can cook your food. And so this is the last part of our video. We saw everything in the Wadi Namar.
Yes.
So if you come with your friends, yeah, with your families, you should come in the evening, and if possible bring some cooking equipment so you can do some picnic. And
you can have you can make barbecue here also. There is a
Yeah.
lot of places for the barbecue.
barbecue place is there, so you can enjoy it in your evening. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel. We will explore the each and everything in Saudi Arabia.
Sure.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.